Hello friends, now I am unboxing Lenovo Legion Tablet 2025 and also doing PUBG gaming test. Doing so, I will also share some in-depth information of this smart tablet. The new Android tablet features an 8.8-inch display with 144Hz refresh rate. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1 SoC coupled with 12GB of RAM. The Legion Tab runs on Android 13 and features an 8.8-inch QHD 1600x2560 pixel. It runs on Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1 SoC paired with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage. The onboard storage can be expanded up to 1TB using a micro SD card. For optics, the Lenovo Legion Tab 2025 has a dual rear camera unit comprising a 13-megapixel primary sensor with digital zoom and a 2-megapixel macro shooter. On the front, the tablet has an 8-megapixel sensor. The Lenovo Legion Tab 2025 has a 6550 mAh battery with support for up to 45-watt fast charging support. It offers 3 performance modes: Beast Mode, Balance Mode, and Energy Saving Mode. The battery unit is claimed to deliver up to 12 hours of playback time on a single charge. It measures 7.6 mm thick and weighs 350 grams. Connectivity options on the Lenovo Legion Tab include Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and a USB Type-C port for charging and data transfers. It has a DisplayPort 1.4 for connecting and compatible external displays.